Humans are all the same. But why? Well, we are not the same by our race and how we look, but our psychology. One part of psychology is summarized in one word. Now, attention has been used a lot with different meanings, like trying Easter eggs, attention to details, and some parts of media, and even my teacher when I'm wandering off. Now, the reason why I'm using attention is because attention means being influenced, which is the definition I'm using today. Now, it can also mean you're gonna also have a talk with them, but which is also combined with being influenced. Those combined is like a sheath and a katana, or a condom with it. Now, before we start this chapter, I want you to look at this image. It's the Pringles logo, right? Yeah, but notice how you subconsciously knew what it is. In other words, how did you know that that was the logo of Pringles? Well, you probably ate Pringles, but it's connected with images and art. Now, sometimes the art doesn't focus on the artist, but the art itself and its meaning.
Denzel, I'm not gonna lie, but that shit's ass.
Record this.
Wait, what the fuck is in my...
Now, the only senses when it comes to art is your ears and your eyes. It's due to the fact that music is also considered an art too. Which is why you'll see this meme saying, if you're happy, you enjoy the music. But if you're sad, you understand the lyrics.
I just found diamonds. And it felt so good. Oh, diamond let me put my pickaxe inside of it. I just found diamonds.
Now, before you leave, I can also tell you the other way of getting people's attention is also with your words. Now, the reason why those words can attract people is because, like, Kai Cenat literally saying he's giving out gaming-related items in Union Square in one place. It's even at the front page of Google when you search that up, for fuck's sake.